Hi guys, this is 2002 Toyota RAV4. This car had problem is you can see the airbag light is stay on. So when I off the ignition then start the car, the airbag light stay on, it's not going away. So we have to scan the car first, then what's the code, need to have a look. So we're going to scan the car. With the codes. Okay, we found the DTC B1158, the front airbag sensor assembly, left hand side, this means the passenger side. So we're going to clear the code. Okay, I need to ignition on. Okay, going to off the, so you can see the, you can erase it, but it's straight away come back on the airbag light. So we need to find the problem. So we can see in here the one connector on the airbag is one going to the dash airbag connector. So I'm going to off that connector. Check and need to find what's the code. Okay, then I check. Okay, that's a different code, the DTC B0106. It's not definitely that one. I'll put back this one. Okay. Again, clear the code. So that one's gone, other one is staying on. Let's check in the wiring harness room somewhere. Need to off this cover and the other one need to find it. Okay guys, I found the problem. You can see the passenger side left hand connector is already off. Looks like the spring's not broken. So the problem is this coming is a white clip, that one is missing. The clips came jump out. You can see it's not locking. It's not locking properly. It's coming like this. So white clips. Problem is I found the white clips on the floor. So someone pulled off the clip, then put it back this one again. So this is a problem, they clip off. That's why it's a code logging on. So I'm going to leave the clip here and trying to again delete the code. No fault found, so that's a problem. Someone pulled off this clip, that's why plugs getting off. That's why the cords coming on. Okay guys, I put back the white clips on again. Now going to put back. Okay. Okay, it's not moving now. All good. So that's the problem. So I fixed already. So again I've got a cluster. Then I start the car. Light is gone. So that's the easy way I have found it. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.